famous scientist? Plane. Light bulb. Telescope. WWW. Computer. Solar system. Copernicus. Ano pa ito? Electric motor. Michael Faraday. Energy. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Under kinetic energy, we have thermal energy. Ano yung thermal energy? Moving particles. Thermal. Mechanical. Objects in motion. Ikatlo. Ano yon? Anong klaseng energy? Electrical energy. Ano naman ang magnetic energy? Push and pull. Apat yon under kinetic. Potential energy. Under potential, we have 4. Ano yung chemical energy? Chemical, elastic. Objects that are stretched. Next. Nuclear. Kaapat. Gravitational. Above the Earth's surface. And we also experience energy in different ways pa. Aside sa kinetic and potential, pwede din through sound energy and light energy. The energy that we can hear, sound energy. Energy that our eyes can detect, light energy. Energy that is stored to be used later, potential. Energy in motion, kinetic. Energy that our eyes can detect, light energy that we can hear, sound.